How to decide if you should join coaching institute or not for CLAT और अदर 5 year लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स। आप लोगों की बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेरीज आ रही हैं कि दी हमें बताओ शुड वी जॉइन कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट और नॉट, एंड इफ वी शुड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी शुड कीप इन माइंड or how we should decide. So in this video I'm going to help you in deciding that should you join coaching institute or not. Firstly, I cannot give one answer for all of you. I cannot say that okay, all of you join a coaching institute. No, or I cannot say all of you do not join a coaching institute and only depend on self study, because all of you are in different situation, in different circumstances, right? So I cannot give you one answer, but yes, I can help you in deciding and reaching your decision very logically, right? I can help you in deciding that should you join coaching institute or not. I know I have given a very long introduction, but I also want to tell you that I have a worksheet, a help sheet for you, which is going to help you in taking the decision. I have worked out everything for you on that help sheet. The link of that help sheet will be in the description box below. Do check that out. That is going to help you for sure. It is a downloadable PDF. Just download it and you are good to go. Right, let's get into this video. Yeah guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you have subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. Please note, I want to tell you one thing. There is a myth that is there that only students who join coaching institutes are able to clear CLAT. No, remember, there are students who clear CLAT with coaching and without coaching. With coaching and without coaching. So there is nothing like that कि अगर coaching institute join करोगे तभी हो पाएगा. मेरे स्कूल में जो मेरा friend है उसने coaching institute join करी है. I have not joined coaching institute. What will happen? What not? Remember one thing, that you need to take the decision according to what suits you, right? Not what other person is doing, what other CLAT aspirant is doing. What is best for you, do that, right? The decision to take coaching or not to take coaching is a very big decision. You decide that you want to take coaching, that is also a big decision. Not to take coaching, that is also a big decision. That is why I want you that you should think over the questions that I'm going to put forward in this video for sure, right? Because you are going to invest your time, you're going to invest your money. What happens in future also depends on this decision. So you need to think before you say yes or no. Even if you decide that you do not want to take coaching, that is also a very big decision, right? Number one thing that you need to decide is that do you have time for coaching or not? Do you have time for CLAT coaching or not? Because one of the biggest mistakes that students commit is they do not have time and they go for coaching. They do not have time. When they are about to join coaching, no one makes them think that, "Bache, please think that do you really have time?" They don't think anything and they just jump into it, and afterwards they realize that what they have done, right? So you have to imagine your life like this. Imagine that you have to row two boats together. One is your boat of CLAT and the other one is of 12th boards or your 11th class or your 11th class, right? Now if you want to row two boats together, you need to plan well. You need to plan well, right? Number one, you need to plan well, and for planning well you have to take good decisions. Take good decisions, right? So now do not worry after seeing this. I know thoda dar lagta hai, but I'm going to help you with everything. Don't worry about that. Now what happens is when students jump into this well without thinking, without looking at their schedule, what happens is, number one, they're not able to do well in both of the exams. They are not able to get good marks in 12th boards or in the 11th class, and they are not able to get a seat in a good law college also, right? They mess up, right? Neither CLAT nor 12th boards, they are not doing well in any of them. This is one situation. They mess up, right? Number two is they say bye bye. They say bye bye, right? either to CLAT or to 12th boards. In most cases, it is CLAT to which they say bye bye. Right? They say okay, हम boards के बाद देखेंगे कितना पढ़ सकते हैं, उसके बाद we'll pick up the books. Right? Right? Some of the students, they say okay, fine, in 12th boards, even if I score 75, 80, it's fine. I have to focus on CLAT. This is one decision. So they say bye bye or they mess up. Now, there are students who do well in both. That is, they get good marks in 12 boards also, plus they get a seat in a good law institute also. Sharing my experience with you guys, I've seen students who are really intelligent, they come to me after their 10th exam and they say we want to give CLAT, and you can see that they have the zeal to study, they have everything, but they are not able to manage time, and they mess up. It is disheartening to see such students not able to get a seat because they do deserve, but because they were not able to manage time, because they were not able to understand what to do and what not to do, they were not able to get a good college. Right? Question number 1 is, what is your everyday schedule? This is very important to decide. In the help sheet that I have prepared for you, there also I have this question, and you are either going to take a printout of that worksheet or you're going to copy the questions and you're going to write down your entire schedule. School timings kya hai? Say my school timings are from 8 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock, right? From 2 p.m. till 3 p.m. it is my lunch time. Then after that, from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. maybe it is my rest time because I have gone to school. And at 4 o'clock I have my tuition till 5 o'clock or 5:30 say. From 6 o'clock till 7 I have my another tuition. See, this is your schedule. Now after 7, from 7 till 10 say, around 10:30 I sleep, if so I may say. This is my time from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 3 hours, right? Within these 3 hours I also have to take dinner, right? Okay, so these are my time blocks. Now, these are the timings that are fixed. Now I get homework. Now we have assignments that we get from school, then we have homework, then we have something or the other going on. We have tests, we have unit tests, we have Monday tests, right? All of that things going on, right? So you have to note that also, right? You say if I have to complete my homework of school, it takes 2 hours every day, minimum 2 hours. And then I have my 2 tuitions also. Those tuitions also I have to revise, or I have certain questions to solve, whatever, or I have to read something. There are certain worksheets that I get every day and I have to solve them, right? Things like that. So it takes 1 or 2 hours for that. तो मेरा 7 to 8 9 तक गया, and उसके बाद maybe I cannot say at 10:30 I sleep. It is till 12 that I have to stay awake and complete everything, right? So what I am trying to say here is that you have to see that तुम्हारे टाइम ब्लॉक्स क्या हैं और कौन से हैं जो तुम चेंज कर सकते हो और कौन से हैं जो तुम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट इन दिस वीडियो. प्लीज डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. Remember one thing, that 2.5 to 3 hours of self-study every day for CLAT. You cannot do away with that. ठीक है ना? You have to read newspaper. And I assume minimum 45 minutes to 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours तक का time you can take for reading newspaper, right? And then I always tell you that one topic, one subject, at least one topic, one subject. So minimum 2 to 3 hours you need to read newspaper and to cover half topic, or you're giving say 1.5 hour to one topic. Whatever is covered, and the leftover you take up the next day, right? That is what you do. So minimum 2.5 to 3 hours is what you have to give to CLAT. सेल्फ स्टडी इतना देना है, ठीक है ना? And if you're not able to give that, say on one day you have this tuition, on the other you do not have any, so you have to compensate. Newspaper you're going to read every day, but then the other day you're giving 2 hours extra, right? So that kind of thing you have to do. So this is the minimum. This is the minimum. This is the minimum that you have to do. You may ask, why should I waste my time on self study? You are saying I have to give 3 hours to self study. Why not give this time of 2.53 hours to the coaching institute? They are going to teach well, they are going to do everything for me. Why should I worry? Very good question. Now I have an explanation for you. I have an explanation for you. That is, number one, CLAT is equal to self-study. Yeah, this is correct. Number two, CLAT is equal to self-study plus coaching institute. Matlab, you can clear CLAT by self-study only. Only self-study, you can clear CLAT. You can clear CLAT with self-study and with coaching institute taken. You see, self-study is common. If you think that you can clear only with coaching institute, then this is something which you should cross out. When you join a coaching institute, they are also going to tell you, please go back home, revise, please complete this assignment, please do this. You also have to put in an effort. You also have to put in an effort. Coaching institute, only by going to coaching institute you cannot clear CLAT, and this is one of the biggest mindset mistake that CLAT aspirants commit. They think coaching institute join kar dala to life झिंगा लाला. Nahi, no, you have to put in an effort from your end to clear CLAT. So self study जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is there, and this is minimum I'm talking about. Minimum. When you go to your coaching class that day, when you're going to your coaching class, say you attended a session online only for 2 hours or in person for 2 hours, right? Then you have to revise that topic. You have to revise that topic. You have to solve any assignment, or you have to say there are questions in the modules, or there is a detailed theory in the module, in the books basically that the coaching institute has provided. Then certain left out question from the class assignment are there, or there's an extra assignment that has been given, right? If you don't revise, and if you don't solve, you won't have doubts. You won't have doubts. And if you don't have doubts and you don't get them cleared, then what is the use of the investment that you made? That is time plus money. That is time plus money. That is time plus money. And normally what happens is students go to coaching institute, they keep on collecting the assignments. That one fine day we're going to solve them. They never solve them. There are no doubts, and then nothing happens. You have to put in an effort. You cannot clear CLAT by not putting an effort from your end, right? So what I say is, into 2 hours, if you attended a class of 2 hours, ghar aake at least minimum 2 to 3 hours you have to study that topic. You have to study that topic. Say on that day when you attended your coaching institute class, your self study would consist of newspaper plus the topic that you studied at your coaching institute. But you have to take out time. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के घर आके कुछ नहीं किया, तो ऐसे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. There is no use. Second mistake that candidates make is not having your own plan or schedule. Not having your own plan or schedule. Rather, most of you join a coaching institute thinking that agar ye join kar dala to life jinga lala. That we do not have to do anything. Everything they are going to do. What you think is, you are thinking that coaching institute is responsible for completing the syllabus, for revising the syllabus, for taking notes and working on your weak topics. You think this. Okay, fine, completing the syllabus is one thing, but you know what, let me be honest, I do receive mails from all the CLAT aspirants who have joined various coaching institutes. I'm not going to take names, but you know, coaching institutes take time to cover the syllabus. You can cover the syllabus at your end really quickly. Funda वही रहेगा that you have to give at least 2 to 3 hours, and on some days when you have more time, give 8 hours, give 6 hours, and try to complete the syllabus quickly. even if you have joined a coaching institute. And if you have not joined a coaching institute, then to you have to complete the syllabus yourself. But if you have joined the coaching institute, you have to do it yourself. You need to have your own plan. You cannot sit like this and expect that they are responsible for everything. If you do not have your own plan, things are going to get difficult with time. Because look, there's less burden on us, there's less burden on us. But as we move on, when we reach that September October time, then there are boards. We are able to foresee that boards are just here, 2 3 4 months, and then we have our pre-boards and everything. So complete your syllabus at your end within 3 to 4 months, when there is very less burden. You have to do that. You need to have your own plan, bache. That is very important, right? Revising the syllabus at your end, taking notes at your end, having short notes from wherein you can revise. When only 1 month to 15 days are left for CLAT, you have to revise everything again and again and again and again. I say this word, but this is important. Having your own schedule. That is why I've shared the video on time management with all of you guys. Watch that video. Working on your weak topics. You are going to attempt mocks. Even if they are taking your mocks, you have attempted mocks, right? You are going to analyze them. तुम करोगे. Even if they are saying one on one, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, no, you have to analyze your mock yourself, because you have to get a seat for yourself. You have to put in an effort, and then you'll be working on the weak topics, that these are my weak topics, right? So this is what you need to do. And ये हम नहीं करते हैं जब हम coaching institute join कर लेते हैं. We think they are going to do everything. There are students in the coaching institutes. Have you seen students in your coaching institute who are not studying the topic for the first time? Instead, they are there to clear doubts. वो कर चुके हैं टॉपिक. They are done with the topic already. They have studied the module. The coaching institute का जो module है, they have studied it. They have attempted the questions also. Now they are there just for the doubts. They don't come to every class. They just come to that class wherein they think, okay, this topic is a little difficult topic. I have certain doubts also. I was not able to understand this topic nicely. Let me attend the class. They are, but when test is taking place, or when anything of testing type is happening, they'll be there. They will be there. They have their own plans. वो पूरा का पूरा इंस्टीट्यूट पे डिपेंड नहीं करते. वो मटेरियल भी वही यूज़ करेंगे इंस्टीट्यूट का, जो अच्छा है. जो नहीं अच्छा, दे विल गो फॉर समथिंग एल्स. दे विल फिगर आउट देयर ऑप्शंस quickly. They will figure out their options very very quickly. Because why they are able to figure it out quickly? Because they have completed their syllabus. They know everything now. They have just doubts. They have certain topics that they are weak in. Now they are attempting mocks, working on the topics that they are weak in. That's it. And we wonder how इसको कैसे आता है? Because they've done it. They've already done it. They are now doing extra practice. So that is what you need to do. Next is have your own deadlines. Complete the syllabus by yourself as soon as possible. Don't wait for them. So agar you are thinking that I'm going to join coaching institute because I can say bye bye to self study, then you are wrong. Because self study is something that you cannot run away with. Coaching institutes are going to help you with self study, but self study is something that you have to do. You cannot run away from this. You are going to see students that in your math class you are solving percentage average. They have done everything. They bring their module and say, okay fine, आज percentage की class है, ma'am I have 4 doubts, can you please help me with these 4 to 5 questions? And you are like, अभी तो मैंने class assignment नहीं किया है, घर जाके I was planning to solve the module, and वहाँ पे आप देखते हो उस बच्चे ने सारा module भी solve कर दिया, and then extra book में से questions भी doubts में वो बच्चा लेकर आ रहा है. Why? Because they are working at their own end. They are not dependent on the institute completely. अब आप पूछोगे कि ये कहना चाहते हो that we should not join coaching institute. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that first take out time and then think of joining a coaching institute. Don't just jump, right? The other thing that I want to tell you is that you might think that, oh, my weekends are free because there is no school and my tuitions also take place. The subject tuitions are there on weekdays. Now, weekend. Let's see the weekend. Weekend is equal to whatever you self study डबल हो जाती है, डबल की भी ट्रिपल हो जाएगी वीकेंड्स पे, बिकॉज ऑन वीकेंड्स you are advised to revise your school subjects also, revise your CLAT subjects also, plus attempt some tests also, right? So self study time को जोड़ना है अपने स्केड्यूल में. यू हैव टू ऐड दैट सेल्फ स्टडी टाइम बिकॉज दैट इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल. दैट इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल. बाकी सब कुछ हिला सकते हो, कहीं पे निकाल के कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट फिट कर सकते हो तो कर दो, राइट? अब क्या है कि आपके पास नो टाइम है, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, तो आप कहते हो ओके फाइन, आई डोंट नीड कोचिंग, आई कैन गो विदाउट इट. ठीक है, एक तो ये डिसीजन आ गया. दूसरा, यू से ओके फाइन, मेरा जो आई कैन, मे बी यू से ओके फाइन, आई एम गोइंग टू दिस सब्जेक्ट ट्यूशन, आई डोंट रियली नीड इट, I will stop going, right? One is this, I will only depend on school. I've seen students, what they do is they take easy subjects, or whichever subjects they have taken easy, difficult, they are completely dependent on school. They are completely dependent on school. For them, they have no tuitions or only one tuition, right? They have no tuitions or only one tuition, so that tuition time of subject and everything is saved, and instead they go for self study for both their school as well as its CLAT, or for self study for school subjects and they go for coaching for CLAT. But there also the maximum time they invest is in सेल्फ स्टडी. मैक्सिमम टाइम कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं? सेल्फ स्टडी के अंदर. ठीक है ना? नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग, दैट सेकेंड ऑप्शन कैन बी, यू से आई हैव एम्पल टाइम. टाइम की कोई कमी नहीं है मेरे पास, वक्त ही वक्त है. अगर ये केस है, then you should consider other factors also. But what I am trying to say in this slide is that first create time, first take out time, and then join a coaching institute if you really want to. If you do not have time, then please continue with self study, and then go ahead, and if you can, you join tuitions for particular subjects. जो subjects strong subjects हैं, for example, if you think that you need a tuition for English grammar, you can go for only that tuition. You can find a local tutor for that, but do not join a full-fledged coaching institute, right? Question number 2, financial aspect. This is also very important. The fees is very high these days, so are you okay with the fees or not? Yes or no? Because there are other expenses also. You need to buy some extra books, you need to buy some extra mock test. ठीक है ना? Entrance test की fees भी देनी है. Can you afford that or not? Please take this aspect also into consideration. Don't lose hope, instead use this as motivation. Never lose hope for this. Have you seen interviews or read interviews of candidates who have cleared big exams like that of UPSC, and they do not come from those financially well-off families, but they're able to clear the exam. They're able to not only reach heights themselves, but also they're able to take their families up. They're able to uplift their families, right? So there's nothing like that if you're not financially well off, you cannot clear an exam. Repeating, only take help in subjects that you are weak in. ठीक है ना? बहुत सारे subjects तो तुम strong भी होगे ना, अब जो weak subjects हैं उसके अंदर तुम help ले सकते हो. How do you like to study, or the way you understand things better? Now, everyone has their own way of studying. Someone likes to, study everything by themselves, then only they understand. Someone can be there who is okay with someone explaining to them and they understand things that way. So, how are you studying till now? When you had your board exams, were you taking tuitions, or you were only dependent on self-study? What were you doing? That also needs to be taken into consideration when you are preparing, or when you are deciding that should you join a coaching institute for CLAT or not. Right? Factors to consider if you want to join coaching institute. If you really want to join a coaching institute, there are certain factors that you should consider. Number one is faculty, जो आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, right? Now, when we visit the institute, or we check them out online, they'll tell, or we call them, they'll tell us that, oh, our faculty, this person is from this college, this person is from this university, and we're like, oh, मेरी dream university का बंदा मुझे पढ़ाएगा. Okay, fine, done. This is the person I want to study from. Now, we won't realize that, number one, there's so many subjects in CLAT, and the faculty for all of them needs to be really good. Number two, what are we concerned about? We are concerned that we should get a seat in a good law college or law institute, right? And it hardly matters that the person has done law from where, or if the person has done law or not. What are we concerned about is that how a person is teaching. Is the teacher able to explain the concepts well? Is the person able to explain the concepts well or not? And this is a very big question. So how do you get to know? Obviously, you ask the students, or you can contact the students who have studied from there and ask them how is the faculty. Because normally you'll see that a faculty for one subject, a faculty for one or two subjects is really good, and for others it is not good. So you have to, I mean, you have to search about it, and you will find so many reviews. So please check out that, and please check everything out, because our main aim is to get a seat, right? Number two is, and also please check if the faculty who has taught the previous student is already there or not, because normally the faculty tends to change very quickly. Sometimes you'll see that one of the teachers is really good, he or she is teaching really well, but in the middle of the session they leave the institute and go, and that's one of the worst thing that happens, and that happens a lot, right? Next is weekly test or mock test. Now you need to go into the details कि weekly test जो होंगे वो क्या होंगे, subjective होंगे, किसी topic से related होंगे, पूरे पूरे subjects के होंगे, mock tests होंगे तो कितने होंगे, कैसे होंगे, paper form, pen paper format में दिए जाएंगे. You have should ask these questions, because normally we do not, and afterwards we realize कि हमें तो सिर्फ यही मिला है, right? Size of the batch. Now even if it is online, you need to make sure that they are small batches, because अगर बहुत बड़े batches है then again doubt clearance में बहुत ज़्यादा problem होती है, या बीच बीच में अभी topic पूरा भी नहीं हुआ होता, हर किसी के इतने सारे doubts होते हैं, या कई किसी का level कहाँ होता है, किसी का कहीं होता है, तो this is also important. Don't run behind big names, first check all of the factors and then join. मतलब एक इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत फेमस है, टॉपर वहाँ से है, या कुछ भी ऐसा सा होता है, तो हमें लगता है हाँ ठीक है ये अच्छा ही होगा, बट नहीं, यू शुड चेक आउट एवरीथिंग एंड देन गो, बिकॉज द इन्वेस्टमेंट लेवल इज़ रियली हाई. बिकॉज इन्वेस्टमेंट ये तो है नहीं कि बहुत कम है, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई चली जाती है इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो उस हिसाब से यू शुड चेक एंड देन गो फॉर इट. स्पेसिफिक ब्रांच इज़ गुड. अगर इन पर्सन क्लासेस ले रहे हो तो कभी कभी होता है कि बड़े सिटीज़ में एक स्पेसिफिक ब्रांच होती है जो इंस्टीट्यूट की अच्छी होती है, तो ट्राई करो कि आप वो ही ब्रांच ज्वाइन करो, right? So you should consider all the factors, and more than these factors, what you need to consider is what I've talked about in the previous slides. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, then please do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and comment down below and tell me what more you want from me, right? And also please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, we're there by the name at I am Loggery, and also do subscribe to our newsletter. You'll find all the links in the description box below. I'll see you super soon. Till then, take care and prepare well. Bye.